Hey, Daddy-O.
How to make kids soup. Start with 2 small children. Make sure they're bathed and clean, because you know how children get. They can be so filthy. Stick them in nice bubbling water so they simmer and play and get all tender and juicy. Then you add some carrots, perhaps an onion, maybe some potatoes. Perhaps you want to add a cantaloupe. How about some candy? Or maybe you want to add a buffalo. Some peppers, of course. Chili peppers, they're hot. Cookies, always nice in soup. So how about Easter eggs? A nice helping of dirt. Chicken nuggets, of course. Half a ham sandwich. A little old boots would help. For a little extra flavoring, how about a pizza? Add a little bit of salt. A tenor saxophone. Some video game controllers. Children make the best soup. Ask any witch. They'll tell you. And that, my friends, is how you make kids soup. It is so delicious. Invite your friends for a wonderful evening. You can serve it in a bowl. You can serve it in a cup. Just make sure you serve it hot with children present.